Hindi sisi. Nanghingi din yan sa inanghingi din yan sa sagot ko. Oh my God. This is funny. Sinagot ko lang siya. Kaya nga eh, di ba? Dami mga scammer ngayon sa mapa Facebook, mapa YouTube. My God. Daming mga scammer. Daming mga mga siraulo. Oh, PR Kids, ma'am. I will comment your shorts. Please reply me. You know, there is a big YouTuber that earns like 1 billion, something like that. Why don't you ask help from him? Where is your... I don't want to answer to that. I'm just here plastering my face. I just want to talk. Talk. Thank you guys for supporting my small YouTube channel. So, bago ako magpalit ng damit, kasi kagagaling ko lang ng simbahan. So, mag-live muna ako. Ay. Di ba? At least may mag-highlights. Yan. Highlights. Thank you. All right. Okay, I'm going to so dahil nag-highlights ako. Wow, because I do highlights, I'm gonna take you guys outside kasi I'm going to harvest my tomatoes because we have some tomatoes to harvest. All right, so let me get my stuff. Oh, no. We have so many here.